By just moving one finger, literally, you can turn any major chord into a minor, or major chord into a sus chord, or even the same major chord into a 7 chord. And this simple move will let you play many types of chords without frustration. Because if you're trying to memorize all of them, you forget about it the very next day. So by the end of this video, you play these chords without thinking. Let's get started. First, our material to play this technique is any major chord. For example, C major, C, E, G, with C. But if you are new to the piano, the easiest way to build them without music theory is you play the chord, the first note you want to build, the chord. For example, I want to build the C major chord. So C is our first note. And then you count 5 keys. The same key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have the second note and then more 4 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. You have the C major chord. And this formula works for every single major chord as well. Or if you prefer, you can download my free ebook with all those chords. The link is in the description down below. So, our next movement is to turn this C major chord or any major chord into a minor chord. How can I do that? You play again the C major chord, and then you go to the middle note. So here is the middle note, or if you prefer, you go to the third. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the third, and then you move this third 1 key below, 1 key down, like this. It doesn't matter you play a white key or a black key. It's literally the very, very next key, like this. So C major, C minor, C major, C minor. And this rule works for every single chord. For example, F major, F, A, C with F, go to the middle note, A, and then decrease 1 note. Now you have F minor, so F major, F minor. Now moving on for a different type of chord, you can turn the major chords into sus2 and sus4 chords. For example, again, C major, if you go again to the middle note and go back 3 keys, counting the same key itself, 1, 2, 3, you're replacing, you're moving this middle note to this second note, we have which we call the C sus2 chord. So C major, C sus2. And if you go back to the C major and move this E to the next key, going up like this, so 1, 2, you have the sus4 chord. So in this case, C sus4. So C major, C sus4. Again, major, C sus2, major, C sus4. One more, F major. So middle note, 1, 2, 3. We have F sus2. F major, 1, 2. F sus4. And now, my friends, my favorite, when you turn a major chord into a 7 chord. How can I do that? Again, our C using as our reference. And then you go to the C, the note we're using to name this chord, C, and just go down, decrease 1 key. Once you do that, you turn this C major chord into a C major 7th chord. And it doesn't matter you leave this note out, this C, because you're already playing the C with the left hand. So you have all the notes that you need to turn this chord into a major 7th chord. So again, C major, C major 7th chord. Let's do more. F major, same thing. F is over here, go down 1 key. So here we go, you have F major 7th chord. And by the way, if you're looking for piano course, especially for beginners, I'll leave a link of my course in the description down below. But let's do one more. B flat major, so B flat, D, F, and just 1 key below, we have B flat major 7th chord. But we can do more. For example, C major again. If I down D, C, 1, 2 keys, I have now the C7 chord or C dominant 7 chord. I was here and then 1, 2, or you can count 3 keys, literally the C again. So 1, 2, 3, or just C over here, 1, 2. It's up to you. So now this C major, it is a C7 chord. More. F major, same thing. 1, 2, 3. Now we have F7 chord. And this rule works for every single chord. You can play black keys, white keys, it doesn't matter. For example, A flat major chord, 1, 2. Now we have A flat 7 or dominant 7 chord. Which, by the way, this rule works for minor chords as well. For example, I have here C major again. If I go to the middle note, C minor. If I go to the C and just slide down 1 key, I have the C minor with the major 7th. One more, I have C minor 7 chord. One more, F sharp minor. So F sharp is over here, F sharp, A, C sharp. If I go down 2 keys, I have F sharp minor 7. Same thing for other chords. A minor is over here, 1, 2, 3, or just over here, 1, 2. Depends the how you count those notes. So I have A minor 7. And now, my friends, just for fun, let's hear all variations for the same chord. So starting with the C major, we have C sus2, we have C sus4, and then C major 7th, and then C 7th. Going back to C major, we have C minor with the major 7th, and then C minor 7. And now, to help you put all those chords in practice, put in real life, applying to songs, just click on this video up here. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next tutorial.